So let's continue the current affairs of the news in sorts. So how many women were conferred, how many women were honored with the 2026 Goldman Environmental Prize? So there were 6 women who were honored with the 2026 Goldman Environmental Prize, and the 6 names are Iroro Tanshi of Nigeria, Borin Kim of South Korea, Sarah Finch of United Kingdom, Roka Matbob of Papua New Guinea, Alana Hurley of United States, and Morales Blanco of Colombia. Which legendary photographer passed away at the age of 83? So it is Raghu Rai. Raghu Rai, he's a legendary photographer and he passed away at the age of 83. When is World Malaria Day observed? So World Malaria Day is observed every year on 25th April. Which 594-kilometer long access-controlled Greenfield Expressway connecting Meerut and Prayagraj was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? So this is Ganga Expressway and this is 594-kilometer long and this connects Meerut and Prayagraj and this was recently inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, where was this expressway inaugurated? So this expressway was inaugurated in Hardoi, Uttar Pradesh. How many lanes does the Ganga Expressway have? Initially, it is 6 lanes. Up to how many lanes can this expressway be expanded? So this Ganga Expressway can be expanded to 8 lanes. And now Ganga Expressway starts and ends between which cities? So Ganga Expressway starts from Meerut and it ends in Prayagraj. What is the starting point of the Ganga Expressway? The starting point is Bijoli village in Meerut connecting to NH 334. And the ending point of the Ganga Expressway, the ending point is Judapur Dandu village in Prayagraj and it connects to NH 19 near the bypass. Now, what is the total length of this Ganga Expressway? The total length of Ganga Expressway is 594 kilometers. Ganga Expressway passes through how many districts? So Ganga Expressway, it actually passes through 12 districts and these 12 districts are of UP, Meerut, Hapur, Bulandshahr, Amroha, Sambal, Budaun, Shahjahanpur, Hardoi, Unnao, Raebareli, Pratapgarh and Prayagraj. Which famous singer passed away at the age of 92? Asa Bhosle, she passed away at the age of 92 on 12 April 2026. Which renowned singer was Asa Bhosle's sister? Lata Mangeshkar, she was Asa Bhosle's sister. Who is the author of the book Salman Khan, the Sultan of Bollywood? It is Mohar Basu. So Mohar Basu is the author of the book Salman Khan, the Sultan of Bollywood. Who is the author of the book Sab Par Ram Tapasvi Raja? Asutosh Agnihotri is the author of the book Sab Par Ram Tapasvi Raja. Who assumed charge as the new chairperson of the National Commission for Backward Classes? It is Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti. She assumed charge as the new chairperson of the NCBC, the National Commission for Backward Classes. Who was awarded the 2026 Abel Prize? The 2026 Abel Prize was awarded to Gerd Faltings of Germany. So the 2026 Abel Prize was awarded to Gerd Faltings of Germany. Now, who was selected for the 35th Saraswati Samman for 2025? So, Saraswati Samman for 2025, this was awarded to Ram Kumar Mukhopadhyay. Now, which work earned Ram Kumar Mukhopadhyay this honor? So, the work was Hara Parvati Katha. Yeah, we can say is Har Parvati Katha. This was the work of Ram Kumar Mukhopadhyay and this earned him the Saraswati Samman for 2025, the 35th Saraswati Samman for 2025. Now, Uttar Pradesh government has announced the prize money for Lakshman Award and Rani Lakshmi Bai Award would be increased from 3.11 lakh to what amount? So, it would be increased from 3 lakh to 10 lakhs each. Now, according to Forbes World Billionaires List 2026, who is the richest person in the world? The richest person is Elon Musk and who has been named as the 2026 Stockholm Water Prize laureate. So 2026 Stockholm Water Prize laureate is Kaveh Madani of Iran. When is Bihar Day observed? Bihar Day is observed on 22nd March.